Me can't. Who put Annie in a June? Somebody, me say Annie work, how we in a June? Me say Annie come up, Annie Rasta, me never just say that to me, son. You're a wicked, yeah. I mean, I tell you, say. No, man. And then that never shoot for June. And he gone over to Jaden. And he reach out like, Kay, what you know about Mika? Huh? And he just a bop under the hairstyle. And me say, so people, imagine, over the course of the weeks and drama class Jaden, which is fine, because him deserve it. You know, she a class him and she a rub him out. Me alright with that. Since it's a sodomite I rub out my man, me alright with that, you know. Me not have no problem. You know, come here say, go dog lady, go dog lady. Me say she talks until her jump out her mouth. But nevertheless, that is beside the point. Because everybody knows that she govern dog. So anything possible, I could have flee jump out her mouth. So if her jump out her mouth, nothing wrong with that though. So me just say, alright, she a class Jaden, which is fine, because me like when time she class Jaden. Yeah man, because she wrap him up, you know. But the fur, me can't get over the fur. You understand me? I wonder if his mouth is a coat. I wonder if it's a fur coat, you know, because things and time are changing in this vicinity, you know. And me say nevertheless, nonetheless, she wrap up Jaden. And this is why I say Jaden I walk with the OB, you know. I must be reminded not to, but Jesus have mercy. Shay, I go say me never like her, and me invite her out. Look how I could have poison her, when that was my intention. That was the intention, but through me did intoxicated. That was my intention, you know. I tell you, say man. I never remember, you know, says that girl remind me. Is that girl remind me, you know. Me says when she said it, I felt so disappointed. I said, she figured out the plan. But then again, me look at me saying, you see what you know do? Sometimes when you show mercy, you get mercy. That was my intention, you know. I tell you, say man. I never remember, you know, says that girl remind me. Is that girl remind me, you know. Me says when she said it, I felt so disappointed. I said, she figured out the plan. But then again, me look at me saying, you see what you know do? Sometimes when you show mercy, you get mercy. You know, say, when I see Shay cooking for Jaden, I went to Knee City. I went to Knee City and I said, no! No! Bring it up back! Bring it up back! Look how Shay could have put sardine in the menu. Oh Lord, have mercy. When I saw him eating, my belly moved. I think it's me birthday. Hold on, give me a minute. Hold on, the people. Oh, I can feel a mother's pain. Burdens alone. Burdens alone. I don't know if a mother pain or a gas and I can eat white rice and beans. You know, say bad to bad. Jaden got through it. Jaden got through it. After the nannies, me no go hear say the dog lady pray for Jaden. Whoa, whoa. TikTok liar, let me tell you something. You're not gonna do me like how you do skydive, man. And you see me no run joke TikTok liar. At this me want you put in a ear pipe and smoke. Because me no know where you come from. Me know where you pass your place with me. Me no skydive, man. My temperament short. You know, say yesterday me I ride my bicycle and Martin send me one video with you I come at chat but say me too cute. When me I sit down and I disrespect Shay so cute. You want me to go back on the fridge top? Cause when me dip on the fridge top, everything Sister Flyer, you're right, it's true. It's true, me too cute. When me dip on the fridge top, man, me feel like me there market. It's true, TikTok Flyer. You have a point. Yeah, you do have a point. You got a point, Lala. Yeah. You have a point, my love. Me not tell no lie. Then what a way me hear Kim King and Ride and Die a chat me. Lord. Kim King and Ride and Die a chat me. Them not chat nothing bad though. Yeah. Them not chat nothing bad, my love. Then come here now. The dog lady now. I want something Jaden tell the dog lady. Jaden, your words powerful in here. You forgot write Bible. You forgot write Bible, Jaden. Your words powerful. For now. Yeah. You forgot write Bible. Jaden tell the dog lady Zandrama go eat her mother. And you know say Zandrama go make her spit with she eat her mother. And not that she went to eat her mommy and the video stop there. You know that Zandrama mother really enjoy she eating her. I'm like the video is so traumatizing. Me I wonder if I go to the lowest depth. I wonder I be done.
Zanjama go lick out your mother.
Mama. What? Mama, I come for suck you. Set good. What you doing? What? Thank you, Mama.
Me no know how Jaden so powerful. And your oldness. If you want win again, call JJ. I wonder if Andrew hear me next Sunday. I wonder if him there Israel. Call JJ. No man, it's traumatizing for true. Zandrama need for go take a seat. So if Jaden did tell her for go near my daughter, since her mom is not physical, and your daughter physical, you don't go eat your daughter for true, Zandrama. So when people are talking and try to justify your video is terrible. Zandrama, you're too nasty. The next time I want Jaden tell her for go eat the dogs. Why Jaden never tell her to go eat the dog? All the boy they don't see no. I must have him have no bread. I eat nothing nasty thinking Jaden sick my stomach. I can't stomach Jaden most of the time, you know. Back to the matter at hand. Jaden dance, that's our reach. Jaden dance. And a part of Jaden I keep again a dance. I eat a match Shay, you know. I eat a show of Shay pH balance. I eat a match Shay. Then she put out screenshots with she and Jaden. Jaden, you're intelligent doing a screenshot. You're intelligent though. I want thing with Jaden. Me no understand how Annie reach in a June. Me can't understand how Annie reach in a June. Me no understand who put in Annie in a June. And a serious let today be the day. No man, me can't. Who put Annie in a June? Somebody, me say Annie work, how we in a June? Me say Annie come up and Annie Rasta, me never just say that to me, so. Yeah, me a wicked, yeah. I mean, I tell you, say. No, man. And then that never shoot for June. Annie gone over to Jaden. Annie gone over to Jaden. And he reach out like K, what you know about Mika? And Annie just a bop under the hairstyle. And me say when Annie under the hairstyle, Annie just a bop. And me say to myself, say, is who do Annie ear? But then me ear says Zoe. And me say, okay. Oh, art and craft. Yeah. Me ear says Zoe, I can't do this. I can't do this. I cannot do this. Oh, shub Annie in a June. We are going good, not even Derek in a June from him fixing teeth and him smiling. Not even Derek in a June. From Derek fixing teeth, that's what Derek I eat. Yeah, is that toad? Is Jaden put Annie in a... I tell you, say Jaden. Me can't like Jaden, you know? No, man, me can't like Jaden. No, me see why Shay have to betray him. No, I see why Queenie sat in the back and played hypocrite with him. No, I see, said Ray Charles and Stevie Wonder. No, I see. This just can't get no better. This just can't get no... Me can't like Jaden. Me keep up. But me a go in party though. When all is said and done, me a go in party. Me and him talk about it. Yeah, me and him talk about it. So I go by him house with you. The part where Shay show me, I go. The part where Shay show me 2 times. While I was coming in and I was coming out. Yeah, me I got that part there. Any part where Shay show me, I so me I go. Anything Shay say, Allah, and me I go there. Yeah, me I go in party. I order my outfit. Me I ask him if him like that pants, yeah. I can't get it stitched. Someone know if the dark lady I come down to come here say Jaden want her for host on the 12th of September. Jaden could have been 9/11. Yeah, me want to know. Him said no dress. Jaden can't tell me for wear. Jaden don't want me turn him on in him own a party because Jaden knows when I put on dress him get weak in him knees, he can hardly speak, he lose the control and something take over him in his eyes as he look is his pride. Look him in another song and I'll figure out the rest. Yeah. Me now win a pumpkin skirt after me na Rosalie, me now go to Akeem. Me na Rosalie, so we're not about we do wear pumpkin skirt. You love Jaden like wow. And that same thing when my Queen is saying, look here, I wanna stop this narrative, you know. I wanna stop this narrative, you know. You know, so it's the same thing when my Queen is saying, me love Jaden can't done and me vex. So Jaden invite me in video shoot, sorry, wedding. Lord, that door and Jaden cause me tight for a fight. Me and me lover just always a fight and it come and me sing I'm a ling like right. It know how to make me feel. What she say? She, me not to lie, at this me couldn't eat me and Jaden. No, me stop it now. People, when I have it out there for say me and Jaden there. Yes, we dear. I can't hide it no more, we dear. It soon come out in the radio and soon hear it on the television. We're there. Yeah? And all of the unfold on September 12th. You know, me not go regular party. You know, everybody else keep them party and me not go. When World Dagger fly down for Swiss, me not there. Talk truth. You know, me not do other party. I only 2 parties me ever do. Me go Alkaline and now me I got JJ. So you see when me reach a Jaden party, me have my own 2 cabanas. Me don't want nobody around me. Me no never want video me, but do not ask me for any picture. Yeah. So, yeah, Jaden and I were starting our new series. Yeah, bring 25. You know, carry Sanga Beach after me now make hotel. You know, carry Sanga Beach. This is not real. So when all of you see them out there and you run up on a mouth. Wait there. How much people there on my life? 5 to... No, me I come off. Me love you here. Me love you.